Hello and welcome to Cass Academy of Mastery's class on using an abacus. So here on the abacus, what you're going to find is that each one of these bars represents a place value. So we have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands, 10,000s, hundreds of thousands, millions, 10 millions, hundreds of millions, and billions place. So if we're going to count to 100 using our abacus, we're going to start down here at the ones place and we're going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to replace our 10 ones with a 10 and we're going to continue counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And so now we've counted to 100 using our abacus. And we can check, we have our tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And so we have counted to 100 in the proper way using our abacus.